Alright, so one of the cool things about soda blasting is that it won't hurt anything. So you can actually get it all up in freaking intakes and in the gearing and everywhere. Any little nook and cranny, it don't matter because you're just gonna flush everything out and it dissolves. It dissolves. It just goes away. It becomes part of the liquid that you wash the thing off with. So I'm gonna hit this with a little soda blasting and see if I can get some of the fins a little cleaner and clean all this up right here since I just took the old sprocket off. And yeah, it was, look at these teeth. They're not supposed to curve like that. That was beyond done. Look at that. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up so we can put the new sprocket on, and then probably go ahead and at least stick it in the frame. So, well, we can see what we're working with here. We'll see. Oh, dang it! We're gonna stop. Sorry about that. I had to pause Joe Rogan. So yeah, round one with the soda blaster until I ran out of stuff. And then I already did the carbs and both front brake calipers and the rear brake caliper. I actually hit the carbs twice and went through the second time and just hit all the little nooks and crannies and whatnot. But yeah, that made a significant improvement. Here we go. We are just going to start putting her back together. New sprocket installed. And this is a 15 tooth, dropping down one from the 16 that was on there, which will give for a little bit snappier acceleration, which will be perfect for the purposes of this bike.